unboxing Grobucket, the system for keeping your plant watered over a few days. Floats, fill tube, the top piece of the float, and your float indicator at the same time. 3 of these in a box. Spacer for the bottom of tags. We're going to put this sucker together. You're going to need a bucket. Step 1, so you measure 3.5 inches, mark. I'm going to drill the whole diameter of a pencil. And I take this, place it down into the bucket, facing the hole. Step 2, fill tube. Take this out first, push it together. This other piece, you need to assemble this. Put this in underneath this way. Take some soil. Carry it out several hands. Okay? You're going to take this soil and you're going to sort of pack it in around. Make sure that your drain hole is lined up. Push down around the sides. Pack it in there nicely. Shove that down the side. And now, fill up the bucket. The soil is filled up. And now we water this from the top. Now that that's saturated, fill it up from here. Now you see a steady stream coming out, and that bucket is full. This is the Grobucket system from Lee Valley. $40 for 3 pieces without the buckets. If you enjoyed the video or you found any of this information helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like my channel, comment. It all helps. I really appreciate it. I hope you're having a great day. I'm Alex Archibald with Beautiful Lawns.